Managing logs isn't just about reading them, it's about keeping them clean, secure, and useful. Use Logger to automatically compress and archive old logs. This prevents logs from consuming disk space. Use monitoring tools like Fail2Ban to scan logs for suspicious activity and block offending IPs. Archive logs periodically for compliance or forensic analysis. Set strict permissions on varlog to prevent unauthorized access. Logs contain sensitive information. Treat them like any other critical asset, protect them, manage them, and use them wisely. Another common scenario: you're locked out of your server via SSH. This can happen for several reasons. Incorrect permissions on your .ssh authorized keys. File a mistake in SSHD config, like disabling password login without setting up keys. A firewall blocking port 22 to recover. You'll need console access, either through a cloud provider's dashboard or physical access to the machine. Once inside, you can fix the configuration, correct permissions, and restart the SSH service. This is why it's critical to test SSH changes in a separate session before closing your current one. Always have a backup access method in case something goes wrong. Zombie processes are defunct processes that remain in the process table. They can consume resources and cause instability. To diagnose, use PSOX, grep to find the process. Use Kale-9PID to force termination. Prevent them by using System to manage service life cycles. Monitor regularly with top or HTOP to catch issues early. Zombie processes often indicate poor script hygiene or missing exit handlers. Not all services start automatically at boot. You control this with System to enable and disable. Enable creates a symlink so the service starts at boot. Disable removes the symlink. Is enabled checks current status. For example, after installing Apache, run sudo system to enable Apache 2 to ensure it starts on reboot. This is essential for production servers. You don't want to manually start services after every restart. Let's walk through a real-world scenario. Your Apache web server won't start. Here's how you'd approach it. Run system to status Apache 2 to see if it's active or failed. Use journal use Apache 2 to view detailed logs and error messages. Check the configuration file at etc apache 2/apache 2conf for syntax errors. Restart the service with system to restart Apache 2. This workflow is typical in server administration. You use status and logs to identify the issue, inspect configs to fix it, and restart the service to apply changes. Mastering this process makes you a reliable troubleshooter, someone who can keep systems running smoothly under pressure. Linux provides tools to monitor running processes. Top shows live CPU, memory, and process stats. PSOX lists all processes with details. Top, a more user-friendly version of Top, requires installation. Use PS with grep to find specific services. For example, PSOX grep Apache 2 shows all Apache-related processes. These tools help you detect resource hogs, zombie processes, and runaway scripts.